you probably know I have side bangs, but a lot of you might not know that because I actually push them back a lot. The reason I do that isn't because I think it looks cool, because I actually like the way I look with side bangs better, but the reason I do that is because I don't want to deal with the issue. So a couple times ago when I went to a hairdresser and got my bangs cut, they left out a huge chunk in the middle. This is the problem. You can see what I'm talking about. It would look kind of cool if these were on the outside or something, but they're in the center of my bangs. So every time I have my bangs down, these just go right here, and it's just not a good look for me. So today we're gonna fix it. But before we get into the video, subscribe right now while I'm talking about it so you don't forget, and then you can become a Baileyan and join our Baileyan family, which is like the coolest fandom on the internet, so definitely do that. And yeah, without further ado, let's get into this video. Basically, my mom didn't want me to get my bangs cut again because the last time I did, I got them cut straight across and they looked really weird on me. So I have scissors and a hairbrush, and I'm gonna brush my bangs. I'm not a professional. I don't know what I'm doing, really. I'm not even gonna like watch a tutorial on it. I'm just going in with the scissors. Yikes. So I guess I just, oh man, this is so scary. I know you're not supposed to like cut straight across. That's bad, I think. I don't know. I'm just gonna, you guys, can you even take me seriously? Let me just lift my hair. So I know you're not supposed to cut like straight across. I'm pretty sure that people say that's not what you're supposed to do. This is so scary. Worst case scenario, I can grow them back out. I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna do it. All right, the first cut. This is real, guys. Like, this is my hair right here. Sorry for my nails. I'm too lazy to fix them. Wow. I don't think it's short enough yet, but I don't want to make it too short. Like, I want my eye to not be completely covered, but I don't want it to be like above my eye. Aren't you supposed to grab it like this? I was like a skunk. Aren't you supposed to do that and then cut it like straight in the middle? Did that actually work? Wow, that actually doesn't look that bad. But that's fine. Like, push to the side, like I can pull it off. It actually looks like perfect. Like, this is exactly what I wanted. So I don't even know if I ever need to go to a hairdresser again, because I just realized that I'm like amazing at doing hair. But actually it looks so good. Like, it's exactly what I was saying. Like, it covers my eyes slightly but not like all the way, and it fixed the problem of having the super long pieces that are like down to here that are part of my bangs, and now it's like all better fixed. And that is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next time.